if your Exness account is under another IB. Or if you already have an account with Exness and want to switch to our IB, you can do so by submitting an IB change request form. Here are the steps to change your IB. Log in to your client portal. You can submit an IB transfer request. By going to live chat, send a chat message, change partner request. Wait for the officer to send the form to request an IB transfer, which is a specific form. Click on the link. Please fill in all fields. Partner change. First topic, select reason for partner change. Press the trading signals. Next topic, new partner's link or wallet account number. You can copy the IB link from below this video clip. Click More. This section shows our partners, links, and affiliate codes. We recommend that you copy the link and paste it into the new partner field. Place a referral link. Where did you find your new partner? YouTube, Hang Forex 95. Leave a comment. Good analysis. Press Submit. It takes 1 to 2 days to process. You will receive an email confirming the IB transfer. Return to the account area. After you receive a confirmation email about your successful partner change, please note, any trading accounts that you opened prior to changing partners will not be under the new partner. This account example was active before the partner change, so we recommend that you permanently close this account. By pressing 3 points, click on Archive Account. Trading account is archived. After this, newly opened trading accounts will be under the new partner. Go to Open Real Account, click Open New Account. Select the account type you want to use. Click Continue. Choose Leverage. Choose Currency. Set a password of at least 8 characters. Click Create an account. New trading account created successfully. This account number will be under the new partner. Go to Deposit and select a deposit method. Once your deposit is successful, you can start trading with Exness. You can follow our Forex analysis via the TradingView website. In the name of Serrana 2324, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.